Listen, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, NEWLINK is here from NEWLINK Production, and we say attack, attack, attack. Well, people, right about now, people, I just want to send this message out there to our beloved Jamaicans right now. Jamaica, 49 years since the year start of 2020, people. And to tell you that Jamaica has recorded 66 road fatalities in Jamaica. 66 persons was killed on the road in Jamaica by accident. 66, 49 days in the year. So when I check the ratio, people, that's more than one person per day has been killed on the road in Jamaica since the start of 2020. Jamaican, please be wise up. Drivers out there, please be more cautionate when driving on the road. I have seen where people has been killed on the road in Jamaica by speed, by overtaking. It don't make no sense. If you late, you're already late. So you can't late and try to beat time again because you're already late. If you're 1 second late over the time, you're still late. So even if you're 10 minutes late, you're still late. It's recorded late. Please be cautionate on the road. You're going to airport, please get up early. So the man them not have to speed and try beat traffic for bringing you to the airport. It's out of hand and it's terrible. 66 persons. The year just began. We are just over the middle of February. 49 days in the year. And you telling me that 66 persons has been killed on the road in Jamaica? This is really terrible, my people. You understand? I really am asking all these drivers in Jamaica to be cautionate. The bike riders, take your time. Stop the speeding, stop the stunting, stop this and that. Because in the end, it's not good. It's not nice to know this is the way how people been showing their life away. Too much, it's too much, it's too much, it's too much. 66, what's really going on? And most of these killing on the road contributes to speeding. Come on, man. Driver, wanna wise up, man. Time for your change. This is 2020. Now make it be like 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016. Make a change. Make a difference. I used to speed. Right now, I don't pass 80. No. Speed do kills. No joke about it. Speed kills. Cut off of the fast driving. You understand? And stop throwing away people's life. Because times being, the drivers who are driving the car, they manage to escape while the passengers are the deceased. It's just sad and it's just terrible to know the fact and the stage that what is going on our roads in Jamaica. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and we say attack, attack. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. And thanks for being a YouTube fan of NEWLINK. If I inspired you, and if you find my topic interesting, please do support us. Peace out. Attack them. NEWLINK out.